What's our dinghy's name?
Foggy?
Yeah, and the next mods we're going to do is we're going to change the prop and we're going to add a hydrofoil to the boat.
Why we have the dinghy out? It's time for me to put on my big girl bikini and actually learn how to drive the dinghy.
This is Patricia, and I'm Dave. During the summer of 2020, we traveled to French Polynesia for a sailing vacation. We had such a great time that we decided to buy a sailboat when we returned. Our new Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 440 arrived in April of 2021. Watch as we outfit and upgrade Cavoo, learn to sail first on the Texas coast, but eventually the world.
I'm here at the neighborhood boat ramp, and we're about to launch our dinghy.
What's our dinghy's name?
Foggy?
Yeah.
Foggy. We haven't put it on there yet, though. So anyways, this is how we've been getting the dinghy back and forth from the rental. It's a makeshift cart. It's a hand cart that we put some wood on and carpeting, and it's worked pretty well. It served its purpose. Let's see, what else have we done? So if you've been following Sailing Cavoo, you know we did an episode on a battery box and dinghy lighting. If you haven't seen them, go check them out. Very informative. But we did make a few changes because we found out better solutions. And one of them is this light right here. The first light was way too tall, and Dave actually knocked it off bar hopping in Clear Lake, trying to go under a tiny bridge. But this one's much better, and also we went through several lights. So Dave made this out of, what was this?
It's just a vinyl tubing.
Vinyl tubing to protect the light bulb. And since he's done that, we haven't had to replace any lights. So that was a good change. And the other change we made was on the battery box. We went with the metal one. We painted the crap out of it, Rust-Oleum, but Rust-Oleum didn't work. Rust-Oleum still rusted. So we ended up with this plastic one, which is green instead of black, but I got over it. And what else?
Oh, we added the cleats.
Oh, the cleats. I thought we talked about these. We haven't talked about these?
Yeah.
The Railblazers?
Yeah, we added those.
Yeah, we added some Railblazers for...
It gives us a place to tie down the boat, and
Yep.
It's also a place where we can put something else. So we added them, and as you can see, that's where our light.
Yeah, the light goes in.
The
one
light
in the
goes
back.
in one there, and then we've got two up front as well. So
Can hold the other GoPro in place. See?
yeah. So we got a place to put the GoPros when we're
Yeah.
out dinghying around.
Oh, and then this. This is how we tow the dinghy behind Cavoo. And one's clipped down here. You get the point. I don't want to do the whole demonstration, but this works good so far.
So today we are going to go out. I'm going to show you the problem that I have with the boat not getting up on plane and the prop cavitating a little bit. And the next mods we're going to do is we're going to change the prop and we're going to add a hydrofoil to the boat. So I'm going to do just a little before and after runs so we can see the difference. Alright, I got the landing gear up. Got my Bad Elf GPS. It'll give me some speed out here. So we'll see see what I can do with a high-speed run, how long it takes to get up on plane just going full throttle from the start. And we'll see. So I'm kind of pointed into the surf just a little bit here, and I'm going to hack the clock. And you can see it jumps pretty good. Showing 16 and a half. The boat back to the shop where I could swap the prop. It's a fairly easy process. One cotter pin, one bolt. Take the prop right off the spline. Get the new prop, a little bit of grease, and went right back on. That was the easy part of the transformation on this part of the update. So we added the new prop, and I've got this SE Sport 2000 hydrofoil. It's supposed to clip right in there. Running into some problems with the installation, and I'm not real happy. They give you this template. It's kind of hard to work out, but I've got it set up, and I've got marks here where I think it'll line up, and then I check the lineup on the actual product, and I don't think they're hitting all of them. So the other problem that I have is to drill this. Oh no. Oh no. Can't drill that. So I went out and bought the clip, which is supposed to work without drilling, and it does not fit on a 15 horsepower Mercury. So enter solution number 2, and that is to try to drill it with an offset drill, which again, it's right up against it. So I don't know how this is going to work out. We're going to play with it a little bit. I might just try to get a tiny hole started and then maybe drill it from the bottom, so I can get something straight up through there, but just not real happy with the whole solution. Hope this is worth it and gets the boat up on plane quicker, because that's the whole idea behind this. So the solution I came up with was to use a very long, very thin drill bit that I could actually flex around the area, so I could use the offset drill and flex the drill bit with my hand to get it to drill basically straight down, even though I'm drilling from an offset. So with the pilot hole drilled, very small pilot hole, what I did was I used a mechanical ratcheting offset screwdriver and put increasingly larger drill bits in it, just slowly expanding the hole. So here's our finished product. You see the two back ones are in real straight. Two side ones, they're crooked. It's the best I could do. This is in the way, and if you look down here, you're not going to get it because of that. So I don't know. So this is a Mercury EFI 15. It's one of the new motors and I think this thing's been around for a while, but it hasn't been redesigned. I'm pretty happy. It looks fairly straight on there, so let's see what the performance is like. We'll take it out next weekend and give it a run through, and we'll put all that stuff on here. So the prop change was fairly easy, straightforward. Got a little bit more performance prop here, and then adding this is the big upgrade. We'll see what it does.
So we finally got some decent weather here. So we're gonna test out the new prop and the foil to see if it really makes a difference in our dinghy performance.
It's getting up on plane a lot quicker.
Yeah, it's getting up on plane quicker, and it feels smoother, like it's a smoother ride.
Would you say it actually makes a difference, babe?
I think so.
It makes a difference.
All right, our efforts weren't. While we have the dinghy out, it's time for me to put on my big girl bikini and actually learn how to drive the dinghy. I mean, I've been spoiled by having a chauffeur, a dinghy chauffeur right there. His name's Dave. He charges for his services $100 an hour. Anyways, so yeah, I need to, if I'm gonna make it in the cruising world, I gotta learn how to drive the dinghy myself. Whew, I'm a little nervous. Ain't gonna lie.
Put the thing on your wrist first.
Wrist first.
So get that on a wrist.
Okay.
All right.
Start button.
Make sure you're in idle.
Idle. Okay. And then forward.
Okay.
Turn.
Yep. Just do a little. Whoa.
Whoa.
Easy.
Baby, what about these poles?
Then turn.
What way do I need to turn it? Oh God, the other way. There's poles.
I know, honey. Just don't run into the pole. Don't. You're turning back into it,
Oh,
honey.
well, this way, this way.
No, keep going away. No,
This
other way.
This
That way.
This way.
Push that way.
And then go.
And it goes this way.
This is tricky, y'all. This is tricky. Oh my God, this is way too scary.
All right,
how do
easy.
I get straight? Just like this, right?
Just give it a little throttle. Let's start right there. Just give it that and let it. All right, now turn to the right.
This? No.
That way.
This?
Yeah, you got to go opposite.
Opposite. That's gonna take some getting used to.
It's opposite.
Opposite. Opposite. Opposite. Oh boy.
Okay.
Okay. Oh shit. No, opposite. Oh man, God. Thank God it's Friday. Oops. Nobody else is out on the water. It was like just a couple boats. Because this is tricky, you guys. This is really tricky. Dave makes it look so easy. Alright, I think this is a comfortable cruising speed for me.
Alright. You want to try docking?
Hell no. Okay, now straight shot. No, the poles are right there. Okay. I'm going to Craig's dock, if I can find it. Red right returning. Oh, that's Craig's dock. Okay. Shoot. I'm gonna have to do some reverse maneuvering.
Yeah, probably. Alright, the wind's blowing this way.
Alright, so I need to go. Oh, Jesus.
Alright.
Oh, God.
Alright, take it out of reverse.
Okay. And then forward?
Just a little. You're neutral. Alright. Whoa, whoa, back.
Oops. Baby, this is too much.
Alright, stop.
Stop. Hit the stop button.
Oh, now we're just drifting.
Oh, God.
Let me have it.
Yes. You take over, sweetie. Talking's a little too much on the first day. All right. D- for first day of dinghy driving, Ed. Yeah, I definitely need more practice, babe. You should just let me take it to the boat until we get to the tight area. No?
No, because you don't operate your clothes very well.
I need to learn. I need to be strong, independent woman.
Strong, independent woman.
I need a strong, independent woman. How am I going to be cruiser if I can't drive the dinghy?
You don't.
I can't have a chauffeur all the time.
Yeah, but you can't run into stuff.
Dinghy lesson fail.
Overall, we are happy with the upgrade on the dinghy. The prop and foil tend to reduce the cavitation. We're seeing less pitch angle on hard acceleration and quicker on plane. We'll get Patricia some more time on the throttle. And if you want to come see us in Annapolis, we'll be there for the boat show. Use our code SAILINGCAVU22 at the checkout and save $5 per ticket.